Question 1. Which scheme focusing on mangrove conservation saw a national-level workshop conducted in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in January 2026? And the correct answer is option C, Mishti scheme. Question 2. In January 2026, the Defence Minister inaugurated an electric vehicle, EV, manufacturing unit in which city? And the correct answer is option D, Lucknow. Question 3. What is the name of the Indian Army exercise conducted in the Dingi Hills region spanning parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Goa in January 2026? And the correct answer is option D, Sahas Shakti. Question 4. Justice Revati Mohite Dear was appointed in January 2026 as the first woman Chief Justice of which High Court? And the correct answer is option B, Meghalaya High Court. Question 5. Who was appointed as the Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, in January 2026? And the correct answer is option A, Shatrujit Kapoor. Question 6. As of November 2025, reported in January 2026 Current Affairs, what percentage of railway electrification had India achieved? And the correct answer is option C, 99.2%. Question 7. In January 2026, the Indian Air Force celebrated the 25th anniversary of which indigenous fighter aircraft? And the correct answer is option D, Tejas. Question 8. On the eve of India's 77th Republic Day in January 2026, how many Padma Awards were approved by the President? And the correct answer is option A, 131 Padma Awards. Question 9. Which Indian state launched the first government menopause clinics as reported in January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Question 10. Which state inaugurated India's largest rainbow trout farm according to January 2026 Current Affairs highlights? And the correct answer is option B, Telangana. Question 11. Which state implemented the PESA Act after 25 years as mentioned in January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Question 12. Which state announced the 1,250 crore rupees Namo Lakshmi scheme for girls as per January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Question 13. Which district in Arunachal Pradesh is set to become India's first biohappy district as per January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option C, Keipenia. Question 14. Which state declared 2026 as the Year of Agriculture, according to January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Question 15. In January 2026, which state gifted a 233-year-old Valmiki Ramayan manuscript to the Ayodhya Museum? And the correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question 16. Which state banned gutkha and tobacco products as reported in January 2026 National Developments? And the correct answer is option A, Odisha. Question 17. Which sanctuary was declared an eco-sensitive zone according to January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, Kumbhalgarh Sanctuary. Question 18. Which state established the Alam Butterfly Sanctuary as per January 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option B, Kerala. Question 19. According to January 2026 current affairs, India launched its first sleeper Vande Bharat train between which two cities? And the correct answer is option D, Kolkata and Guwahati. Question 20. As per January 2026 current affairs, India became the world's largest producer of which agricultural commodity, surpassing China? And the correct answer is option A, rice. Question 21. In January 2026, India launched its first LNG diesel dual-fuel train primarily to advance which sector? And the correct answer is option C, railway energy efficiency. Question 22. Which aviation event was held in Hyderabad in January 2026 according to monthly current affairs? And the correct answer is option B, Wings India 2026. Question 23. In January 2026, India delivered 7.5 tons of cancer medicines to which country as part of its external assistance? And the correct answer is option A, Afghanistan. Question 24. Which sea hosts India's open sea marine fish farming project launched as reported in January 2026 current affairs? And the correct answer is option C, Andaman Sea. Question 25. Which summit focusing on artificial intelligence and its impact on people and the planet was hosted by India in New Delhi from 16th to 20th February 2026? And the correct answer is option D, India AI Impact Summit 2026. Question 26. In the Union Budget 2026-27, which initiative was announced as a multilingual AI-based advisory platform aimed at improving farm productivity? And the correct answer is option C, Bharat Vistar. Question 27. The Union Budget 2026-27 announced the establishment of India's second National Institute in which health-related field? And the correct answer is option C, mental health. Question 28. Which month's current affairs in 2026 reported a major expansion of trauma care services announced in the Union Budget 2026-27? And the correct answer is option C, February 2026. Question 29. In April 2026, India and China held their first bilateral consultations under which multilateral grouping framework? And the correct answer is option C, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, SCO. Question 30. In April 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi outlined a 9-point development agenda aimed at achieving Viksit Karnataka at which religious institution? And the correct answer is option B, Sri Adeshanchanagiri Mutt. Question 31. In April 2026, the Ladakh Lieutenant Governor approved the creation of how many new districts in the Union Territory? And the correct answer is option A, 5 new districts. Question 32. India formally submitted its new Nationally Determined Contributions, NDCs, for which period under the Paris Agreement in April 2026? And the correct answer is option A, 2031 to 35 period. Question 33. In April 2026, the Union Cabinet approved constitutional amendments to expedite the implementation of what percentage reservation for women in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies? And the correct answer is option A, 33% reservation. Question 34. Which law's operationalization is directly linked to the women's reservation measures approved by the Union Cabinet in April 2026? And the correct answer is option A, Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Question 35. In April 2026, which organization reported that India had become the world's fifth largest military spender? And the correct answer is option D, SIPRI. Question 36. According to April 2026 Current Affairs, India signed a Comprehensive Free Trade Agreement, FTA, with which country? And the correct answer is option D, New Zealand. Question 37. In April 2026, which Gulf country announced its exit from OPEC and OPEC Plus as per Chronicle Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option D, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Question 38. Which Indian regulatory body pushed for public Wi-Fi expansion in India according to April 2026 Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option B, TRAI. Question 39. In April 2026, UIDAI onboard how many Aadhaar offline verifiers as part of its initiative to expand offline verification? And the correct answer is option A, 100 Aadhaar offline verifiers. Question 40. Which month in 2026 reported that India's 500 MV prototype fast breeder reactor at Kalpakkam achieved criticality, marking the second stage of India's nuclear program? And the correct answer is option D, April 2026. Question 41. In April 2026, which bill amended 784 provisions across 79 central laws to decriminalize 805 offences? And the correct answer is option A, Jan Vishwas, Amendment, Bill 2026. Question 42. According to April 2026 Current Affairs, which Finance Commission allocated 7.91 lakh rupees crore to local bodies for the period 2026 to 31? And the correct answer is option A, 16th Finance Commission. Question 43. In April 2026, the 16th Finance Commission discontinued grants to states under which article of the Constitution? And the correct answer is option B, Article 275. Question 44. Which month's Current Affairs in 2026 highlighted that RBI held the repo rate at 5.25% while projecting GDP growth of 6.9% for FY27? And the correct answer is option D, April 2026. Question 45. In April 2026, which country exited OPEC and OPEC Plus leading to global energy market discussions as per Indian Current Affairs sources? And the correct answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. Question 46. Which month in 2026 reported that the Supreme Court of India recognized trauma care as a fundamental right? And the correct answer is option A, May 2026. Question 47. In May 2026, India hosted the Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting 2026 in which city? And the correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Question 48. In mid-May 2026, which Indian state became the first to complete all priority areas under deregulation phase IAN 2? And the correct answer is option B, Tripura. Question 49. In May 2026, which railway project's approval was reported along with Nagpur International Airport modernization? And the correct answer is option B, Ahmedabad-Dholera Rail Project. Question 50. In May 2026, India assumed chairmanship of which global IT security standards body? And the correct answer is option A, CCDB. Question 51. In May 2026, which ministry signed an MoU with DIBD to strengthen multilingual digital healthcare services? And the correct answer is option A, Ministry of Ayush. Question 52. In May 2026 Current Affairs, which program related to public distribution was highlighted under the acronym Sarthak PDS? And the correct answer is option A, Reform in Public Distribution System. Question 53. Which month's Current Affairs in 2026 reported that the PM Vani framework received an upgrade? And the correct answer is option C, May 2026. Question 54. In May 2026, which country reportedly developed a vaccine for a new strain of Ebola, as mentioned in Indian Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option D, Russia. Question 55. In May 2026, the Supreme Court upheld what measure related to electoral rolls? And the correct answer is option D, Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls. Question 56. In late May 2026, which state became the first Indian state to create a dedicated artificial intelligence portfolio at the cabinet level? And the correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question 57. In May 2026, which mission was launched in Arunachal Pradesh with 167 crore rupees outlay to transform the state into a premium organic kiwi production hub? And the correct answer is option A, Arunachal Kiwi Mission. Question 58. Which month's Current Affairs in 2026 reported Mission Queen Pineapple launched in Tripura to promote its GI tag Queen Pineapple globally? And the correct answer is option D, May 2026. Question 59. In May 2026, which state was reported to launch the Adarsh Shahar Samriddhi Yojana for equipping emerging towns with modern civic infrastructure? And the correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Question 60. In late May 2026, which country's visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi led to upgrading bilateral ties with Italy to a special strategic partnership? And the correct answer is option D, Italy. Question 61. In May 2026, which state partnered with Google Cloud India to introduce AI-powered solutions for managing Singhastha Kumbh 2028 in Ujjain? And the correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Question 62. According to June 2026 Current Affairs, which port in India was granted the status of an immigration checkpost? And the correct answer is option D, Haldia Port. Question 63. In June 2026, the central government amended rules under which act relating to foreign contributions? And the correct answer is option B, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, FCRA. Question 64. In June 2026, which list related to civil services was launched in an electronic format as per Hindi Current Affairs sources? And the correct answer is option B, ISE Civil List 2026. Question 65. In June 2026, which country's Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, announced his resignation as reported in Indian Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Question 66. In April 2026, which Indian Shooting Federation launched a grassroots drive aimed at 7.5 lakh youth? And the correct answer is option A, NRAI. Question 67. In March 2026, which scheme revised and approved by the Union Cabinet will run from FY 2026 to 27 to 2035 to 36 with a total cost of 28,840 crore rupees? And the correct answer is option B, Revised Udan Scheme. Question 68. In March 2026, Andhra Pradesh became the first state to receive which certification under IFWCS? And the correct answer is option D, Praman certification. Question 69. In March 2026, which tribal millet-based food menu was introduced in Andhra Pradesh for tribal communities? And the correct answer is option A, Araku Koni. Question 70. In March 2026, which scheme named Divyang Shakti was launched in Andhra Pradesh, offering free bus travel for which section of society? And the correct answer is option B, persons with disabilities. Question 71. In March 2026, which tribal festival called Adi Parab 2026 was organized in which Indian state? And the correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Question 72. In March 2026, which scheme called Godham Yojana was launched in Chhattisgarh for conservation of which animals? And the correct answer is option D, destitute and stray cattle. Question 73. In March 2026, Nitish Kumar's Samriddhi Yatra Phase 3 focused on which regions of Bihar? And the correct answer is option A, Kosi and Seemanchal regions. Question 74. In March 2026, which major nuclear milestone was achieved at Kalpakkam according to Indian Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option B, criticality of 500 MV prototype fast breeder reactor. Question 75. In April 2026, NatWest India partnered with which premier Indian Institute for Innovation Initiatives? And the correct answer is option A, IIT Delhi. Question 76. In April 2026, CCEA approved railway multitracking projects with a total cost of approximately how much? And the correct answer is option A, 24,815 crore rupees. Question 77. In April 2026, the Cabinet approved the creation of which insurance pool related to maritime activities? And the correct answer is option C, Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool. Question 78. In April 2026, India Pharma 2026 was inaugurated to promote which sector? And the correct answer is option A, pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Question 79. In April 2026, a cyber security training program was highlighted in Hindi Current Affairs. Which broad area does this program target? And the correct answer is option A, cyber security capacity building. Question 80. In April 2026, which telecom regulatory action was noted as pushing for expansion of public Wi-Fi services? And the correct answer is option C, TRAI recommendations on public Wi-Fi. Question 81. In April 2026, which Indian state approved 6,350 crore rupees worth of projects in Varanasi as per Chronicle Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question 82. In April 2026, which Indian state saw the launch of projects worth 4,000 crore rupees in Sikkim as per National Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Question 83. In April 2026, which global index ranked India 157th with Norway at the top, according to a widely used current affairs compilation? And the correct answer is option D, World Press Freedom Index 2026. Question 84. In April 2026 Current Affairs, which report identified India as the world's fifth largest defense spender? And the correct answer is option D, SIPRI Report 2026. Question 85. In April 2026, India was ranked 10th globally in which index related to cyber offences as per exam-oriented current affairs? And the correct answer is option A, World Cyber Crime Index. Question 86. In April 2026, India was ranked 6th in the world in terms of which economic indicator? And the correct answer is option D, Global Nominal GDP. Question 87. In April 2026, which Indian artist was appointed as the brand ambassador for the Indian Census 2027? And the correct answer is option A, Sudarshan Patnaik. Question 88. In April 2026, which Indian university was launched in Gujarat as the world's first global university for wildlife and veterinary science? And the correct answer is option A, Vantara University. Question 89. In April 2026, which Indian city is set to host India's first pod taxi project, a driverless personal rapid transit system? And the correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Question 90. In April 2026 Current Affairs, which Supreme Court verdict clarified that the right to vote in India is classified as which type of right? And the correct answer is option C, statutory right. Question 91. In April 2026, which Indian Army operation named Himsetu was undertaken for which purpose? And the correct answer is option C, rescue mission for tourists stranded in northern Sikkim. Question 92. In March 2026, which committee was announced to review and align the banking sector for Viksit Bharat? And the correct answer is option C, High-Level Committee on Banking for Viksit Bharat. Question 93. In March 2026, which two major power sector institutions were mentioned for restructuring in current affairs? And the correct answer is option C, Power Finance Corporation and Rural Electrification Corporation. Question 94. In March 2026, which rules concerning foreign exchange were set for comprehensive review as per Banking and Economic Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option D, Foreign Exchange Management, Non-Debt Instruments, Rules. Question 95. In March 2026, municipal bond incentives of how much were proposed for single issuances as part of financial sector reforms? And the correct answer is option A, 100 crore rupees. Question 96. In January 2026, which Air Marshal was appointed as the Vice Chief of Air Staff as highlighted in a popular current affairs capsule? And the correct answer is option B, Nagesh Kapoor. Question 97. In February 2026, India announced Bharat Vistar to integrate data and localized guidance for which primary stakeholders? And the correct answer is option C, farmers. Question 98. In April 2026, India discovered two new species belonging to which group of organisms as per Chronicle Current Affairs? And the correct answer is option A, jumping spiders. Question 99. In May 2026, which authority in India was highlighted in current affairs for consumer protection matters? And the correct answer is option A, Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. Question 100. In May 2026, which wireless framework was upgraded to enhance public access to Wi-Fi hotspots across India? And the correct answer is option C, PM Vani.